Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your phone and carrier info so activation goes smoothly. Once done, open Settings right arrow Cellular to begin. Make sure iOS is current and you're on Wi-Fi or have a working data connection. Carriers often need network access to validate the eSIM. If you have a QR code, keep it visible. If you're transferring from another iPhone, have both devices nearby. This initial prep avoids delays and ensures the phone can reach the carrier servers during installation. Now you'll add the plan itself and configure how it will behave. Tap Add Cellular Plan, scan the QR code, or paste the activation code if prompted. If you're transferring from another iPhone, choose Transfer from nearby iPhone and confirm both screens. This preserves numbers and settings. Then label the line E.g. Personal Work, set which line is default for voice and data, and enable dual SIM choices. These settings help the phone route calls and data correctly, without manual switching later. Finish by confirming the eSIM is active and working for calls and data. Restart the iPhone, then check the status in Settings right arrow Cellular and look for signal bars or carrier name. If activation didn't complete, rescan the QR or open the carrier app to retry. Some carriers require a short provisioning window. If you still have issues, reset network settings to clear stale profiles, or contact your carrier with the IMEI and eSIM EID for help. This usually resolves provisioning hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.